Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kinilong ki khubor bamanta kasngi. Kajing sam khusnam ba kajing krishan pisa shekisin juk yele kai ba pher kanthop kajing ai jing ket bog ik samla bane ireng haga national games ka banong shen ka kajing ai museum jong ka sarkar jylla banne bha ha kajing ne kai kumta ka sarkar jylla ka penkre ban pelong ye ka North East Olympic Games ha umnai ban wan ye thu umntri rangba ka jylla ha ka janmit sngining kong ula play perda ya ka limpong second North East Olympic Games 2022 ka ba on pelong ha gane ka jylla nadu ka shpotrik urisau hadu ka khanru trik utei uju ubnai Haduh ulai hajar ngut kinong yele kai ki banwan na kylleng ki jaka jong kathan shatai lam mi ngi jong kari pinsngau umntri rangba ya katai ka limpung lapli haringkat ka jingdon lang u chief secretary ka jylla ba DP walang nalor kiwi ki he sarkar kanthop nadu kinong yalam ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association Asnem bakimat ya ka khlam covid wala kata ka sarkar kala persyang borba ban kentiu ki kam yele kai yathu umntri rangba haktai ka jingyalang pli ya ka North East Games Nalor kata ongru bakamla satya banong batang ka ba ay kisong pisa ya kisenjuk yele kai ba pher kin la no minta hi banwanra khusnam na ki limpung he ongru ba ka jylla ha ki saus nam tam kala yo ban kindu kumba palat san hajar ngut ki samla yele kai ban jiet ki badon kasap ka bakham kerpang Bon ki balet ban airing shabar ki lut naladi hendrei minta ka sarkar kasdang ban ai ki jingyara pisa Watla ka long tang khendiat handai ka dekadang jong ka jing ithu ya kitu ki bakhur tama ha ki limpung Meghalaya Games lani wat ha ki jingya khun ha ka ri ula benrap shu ula pentip ru ba shan kin sadon ki sinjuk bapau ban sanye ki jaka hi kai football ki bapaka Center of Excellence ha gani ka jylla
The 12 athletes who are going archery is Shongkhya Shisha Kharpan from archery, Skemlang Suba and Daniel Walang from athletics, Eva Wayne Marbanyang from boxing, Rishika Yaurot from judo, Bapenshnai Singwan, Mary Jones Singwan, Priang Sulang Singwan, Mevan San Sangma from aquatics, E.S. Songthiang, J. Nongtudu, Rabor Timung from Wushu. These 12, 6 female and 6 male athletes will represent Meghalaya in the 36th National Games, and they are being held in almost seven districts, 7 venues, including New Delhi, surprisingly New Delhi, where velodrome, the cycling event, will be held in New Delhi, where they need velodrome. There are 12 athletes and about 15 officials who will be accompanying these athletes, and we would like to wish them all the very best. And it's your first attempt to go to the national games. All we request is you maintain the discipline. Maintain the discipline. It's the prestige of the state. And what is very important is the participation and maintaining your discipline. So as the Commissioner had also mentioned, I'd also like to touch a bit on the test, the talent identification test that was done. We would like to once again, sir, thank you for this initiative. In fact, your government has been very, very supportive in terms of, as you're all aware, we had twice the Meghalaya Games. And we've announced that we will have it every year, the next one being in Tura. And also now that we are thankful to Arunachal also for having, given us this opportunity to host this, National Northeast Olympic Games, the second edition. The first was held in Imphal in 2018, and this is the second one. It was supposed to be held in Arunachal. We're thankful to the Arunachal Olympic Association for the magnanimous gesture in the request that we wanted to host it in view of the fact that we are celebrating 50 years.
Approach to actually identifying talents and then to be able to shape them and give them the guidance to become medal winners We cannot just expect that when they're 15 years old, 18 years old, suddenly somebody comes up on their own, which the chances are very less. So therefore, instead of that happening, we need to go to the ground and identify the talent at a young age, nurture them, send them to different training camps and different places of centers of excellence, nationally as well as internationally. And then maybe we might see a star or a person who may be able to get a medal for us in the long run. So therefore we started doing a very scientific approach. We also realized that we need to support our sports person. So many of you have been going out and on your own you have been spending your own money, spending your own funds on buying equipments, traveling, and you bring laurels to the state and the state doesn't recognize you. And I think this is something that is really small, but I think it's very meaningful. And it makes the athlete and the sports person also very happy and very proud. And therefore we started to give cash awards. Whether you have won medals for the state, at the national level, or whether you have won medals at the Meghalaya Games level. So we started giving these cash awards. Maybe small, but these are small recognitions which motivate the youngsters to try and work even harder.